Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. Happy Terrific Tuesday coming from me, guys. Happy Terrific Tuesday. Welcome to this channel. Welcome to my crazy big black family on YouTube. Get subscribed if you're not. I'm on my way back to my house. I had to drop my daughter off at her job. She does CNA, so I had to drop her off at her job, and I'm on my way back to the house. I gotta go pick up a couple of things from the store. Being a big crazy black family, we need food all the time, so it's time to go pick up a couple of more things from the store because I'm low on food again. And comment down below if you know my plight. And for those who don't know what a plight is, it means like, you know, my journey, you know what I deal with. It's like, I literally go shopping. It's ridiculous how much I gotta go shopping, and I gotta go shopping again. I won't even call it shopping. I call it just picking up a couple of things because I'm gonna be right back here again, going to pick up a couple of more things like in another couple of days, and then another couple of days after that. So like that's literally what my plight is. That being said, when you have a big black family or any big family, you know that you have to buy in bulk. You have to buy things like, I did a video unboxing the other day for Amazon, and I order from Amazon and places like that, and go to BJ's and places like that because I do have a big family. And you would think that like no matter how much food we got, that it would help. No, it's constantly always juices have to be topped off, milk has to be topped off, vegetables, fruit has to be topped off because we use a lot of fruit and vegetables like cucumbers. I literally fix cucumbers about 3 times a day. I fix them with lunch, I fix them with breakfast, I fix them with dinner. I use them as a snack to go with as well as like fruit and vegetable intake. It's a good thing, and plus I had read about cucumbers. They're actually very good, and you know, for you, because they're full with water, which is a good source of hydrate, especially with the recent heat indexes that we've been faced with recently. So that being said, guys, like I said, yeah, I have to buy in bulk, and I have to constantly and consistently every day top off this, top off that. So what I'm doing now is I'm actually on my way back. I'm gonna go check out what I need, and what I'm thinking about today. I'm gonna do something. I'm probably gonna make just like 2 big super pots of spaghetti, because I feel like that, and I make some garlic bread to go with it. The garlic bread will fill us up as well as the spaghetti will last a couple of days. I'm gonna pick up some more juices. I'm gonna pick up a couple of boxes of cereal. I'm gonna pick up a couple of probably like 2 gallons of milk. Just probably like a couple of really cheap packs of meat, because my little discount food store I go to, they have like big family packs of meat for like $4 or something, no more than like $5, and they have like a whole family pack. So I'm probably gonna get a couple of packs of meat. But like I said, I find myself spending the majority of our income on food, and it's absolutely ridiculous versus as well as on bills and rent and this and that, because we don't own our own house yet. So it's just like constantly always something that has to be bought, something that has to be paid for, something, and most times it's food. And I get it, you know, I always refer to Jesus took like a loaf of bread, and I forgot what, my mother and them said it was some fish, and fed like thousands of people with it. And it's like, I know I can make it happen because I was raised that way too. I can literally take 1 can of pork and beans and 1 can of hot dogs and feed about 12 plus people. You'll be like, how in the hell you can do that? Because I can do it. I know how to stretch things out. I'll cut them hot dogs down to the finest they can be cut down. Put some water in that can of beans, a little bit of sugar, butter, mix it all together in one big pot. Boom. Now you got a nice filling meal Boom. If you got some white bread, soak it up with some bread. I know how to make it work. I took a discount class, consumer discount shopping class. I know how to take $10 and feed a family of 4 a whole meal. I know how to do that. I really do. So I don't, profess to do these things just because I actually am certified and know how to do that. $20, I can do it even better. 40, 30, 50. Oh, I'm going to get it popping. You would thought I had like $100 when I'm done. Because I'm going to go to every store that has the discounts, and I'm going to seek them discounts out. I stay in the stores, so I know the stores that have the discounts. I stay shopping, so I know who has what deals, whose prices are what. I literally know all my local food stores, including Walmart, their prices, BJ's, their prices. So that being said, yeah, I got to go pick up a couple of things. That's what my Tuesday is going to be about. Yesterday, I spent all Monday creating merchandise to put on my website. So I did a couple of nice, awesome Barbie shirts. I can't wait. I'm about to go get some more shirts so that I can actually put them on my website. I practice like Mark Random, if that makes sense, like just practice them on some practice t-shirts. I got like a lot of practice t-shirts, so I just practice them just to see, and they are awesome. So I'm about to get me some shirts and put my Barbie t-shirts out for sale to go on my website as well. Successful Wear LLC. You can Google www.successfulwearclothingllc.com, and we will come up. Even if you Google Successful Wear LLC, we will come up several times, because we are a registered business who pays their taxes, who does all the things that businesses are supposed to do. No offense, but that's what we do. So but again, guys, like I said, I'm on my way back, on a nice little suburban ride through the suburbs. And I hope that you guys have an amazing, terrific Tuesday. And if you're a big family like mine, start going out to your stores. Start, searching your resources out as far as who has the local discounts, as far as whose prices are cheaper, as far as, oh, this one may be a little bit cheaper than that one. Because in the end, it will help you out when it comes to those bills and when it gets to that register and it's time to pay. Whether you're paying with cash, whether you're paying with food stamps, whether you're paying with credit, whether you're paying with debit, whatever you're paying with, and I don't hate on nobody, because there was a time and there comes a time when everybody needs a helping hand. Even myself right now, I have a business and I be needing a helping hand. Times, there's good days and there's bad days. And thank God, the good thing for me is because I have a whole family that I could turn to, a husband I could turn to when the struggle gets rough. My husband works 5 days a week. He gets paid weekly. So, that's a plus. All my kids work. I work inside the home, but I also do freelance cleaning. So I'm always looking for cleaning, housekeeping jobs for myself to put extra money in the house, because when you have a big family,